Imagine transforming your kitchen into a gourmet haven without cluttering your countertops or breaking the bank. This Gourmia toaster oven air fryer combo, GTF7655, is here to make that dream a reality. This sleek stainless steel 1700-watt powerhouse combines 17 cooking modes, a spacious 24-liter capacity, and cutting-edge FryForce 360 technology to deliver crispy, delicious meals with minimal effort. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or a culinary enthusiast, this appliance promises to streamline your cooking while elevating your dishes to restaurant quality. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into this comprehensive review to explore why the Gourmia toaster oven air fryer combo is a must-have for modern kitchens. Why choose the Gourmia toaster oven air fryer combo? Cooking can feel like a juggling act, balancing time, space, and flavor while trying to keep things healthy. The Gourmia tackles these challenges head-on, offering a versatile, compact, and high-performance solution. With its 17 one-touch cooking presets, you can air fry, bake, toast, dehydrate, roast, broil, and more, all in a fraction of the time traditional ovens require. Its French door design and dishwasher-safe accessories add style and convenience, making it perfect for small apartments, RVs, or vacation homes. Let's break down what makes this appliance a standout choice for anyone looking to simplify meal prep without sacrificing taste. Key features that set it apart. 17. Cooking presets for ultimate versatility. From air-frying crispy wings to baking a 12-inch pizza or dehydrating fruit, the Gourmia offers 17 one-touch modes, including toast, bagel, bake, convection bake, roast, broil, pizza, reheat, keep warm, dehydrate, and more. No guesswork, just select your mode and let the oven do the rest. FryForce 360-degree technology. This patented airflow system circulates superheated air around your food, ensuring even cooking and a golden, crispy exterior with up to 90% less fat than traditional frying methods. Spacious yet compact design. With a 24-liter capacity, it fits a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread, yet its sleek footprint makes it ideal for micro-living spaces like apartments, dorms, or tiny homes. 1,700 watts power for fast cooking. The high-wattage system cooks up to 30% faster than conventional ovens, perfect for busy lifestyles where every minute counts. Single pull. French doors. Stylish and practical, the auto-opening French doors make it easy to load and unload dishes, even with one hand. Customizable digital controls. Adjust time, temperature, and toast settings with an intuitive touch panel for precise results tailored to your preferences. Complete accessory set includes a fry basket, oven rack, baking pan, and crumb tray, all dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Recipe book. Included, kickstart your culinary creativity with Gourmia's recipe book, featuring ideas for everything from crispy fries to gourmet desserts. Benefits that make a difference. Healthier cooking. Without sacrificing flavor. The air fryer function uses little to no oil, delivering deep-fried taste with fewer calories. Enjoy crispy chicken wings, golden fries, or roasted veggies guilt-free. Saves time and space. This all-in-one appliance replaces multiple kitchen gadgets, freeing up counter space and reducing prep time with its quick cook technology. User-friendly for all skill levels. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, the one-touch presets and easy controls make cooking a breeze, while the recipe book inspires new ideas. Perfect for small spaces. Its compact design fits seamlessly into tight kitchens, yet the 24-liter capacity handles family-sized meals or party snacks with ease. Easy to clean, dishwasher-safe accessories, and a removable crumb tray mean cleanup is quick, leaving you more time to enjoy your meals. Who is this for? The Gourmia toaster. Oven air fryer combo is perfect for busy professionals. Whip up quick, healthy meals after a long day without relying on takeout. College students. Ideal for dorms where space is limited, but cravings for pizza, wings, or toasted bagels are endless. Small families. Cook a variety of dishes for multiple people, from roasted chicken to baked casseroles in one appliance. RV or vacation. Homeowners, bring gourmet cooking to your travels without lugging heavy equipment. Health-conscious foodies, enjoy fried favorites with less oil, plus dehydrate fruits or veggies for wholesome snacks. Final verdict, is it worth it? The Gourmia Toaster Oven. Air fryer combo, GTF7655, is a game-changer for anyone seeking a versatile, space-saving, and health-conscious cooking solution. Its 17 cooking modes, powerful 1700-watt performance, and sleek French door design make it a standout in the crowded air fryer market. While it may require minor tweaks to perfect your recipes, the convenience, speed, and quality it delivers far outweigh any drawbacks. Whether you're in a dorm, a tiny home, or a bustling family kitchen, yet